Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create an eye-catching thumbnail using Canva. Open canva.com on your browser. Click on the templates option shown on the left side of the screen. Here, you will see different templates. You can also search for different templates in the given search bar at the top. After choosing the template, click on Customize this template. On the left side, you can see different backgrounds and select any of the backgrounds you want. Click on any background and paste it into the background of the template. You can search for any photos or anything by searching and pasting them in your template. You can adjust the pasted image after pasting it in the template. In the text option, you can change the style of the text. Click on the Adjust option to adjust the brightness, contrast, shadows, highlights, etc. of the template. The position or option that is given at the top will let you make the changes in the template by adjusting the picture you have pasted and many more. In the Align to Page portion, you will be able to align or set the template. By selecting the text written in the template, you can change the text and type any other text at that place. After that, click on the Share option shown at the top and download the template. Select the file type and adjust its size and quality to download it. Now click on Download to finally download it. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.